Hello, my name is Chad Burchett. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Trova Commercial Vehicles Incorporated in Dublin, Virginia. We manufacture battery electric vehicle solutions for the heavy-duty Class 8 truck market. So at Trova, what we aim to do is to help accelerate the adoption of battery electric vehicles into the market to help improve the air quality globally, as truck emissions are 35% of the total pollution in today's environment. This is the Trova Commercial Vehicles Incorporated Design Studio. In the Design Studio, we essentially design all of the parts that go into the diesel to electric conversion, as well as the e-spotter kits. So in here, we actually have 3D printing capability. We do all of the CAD engineering work, and we also do some sub-assembly of some different modules and do some prototyping for our vehicles as well. This is the Trova Commercial Vehicles Incorporated Riverbend facility. This is where we actually have rubber hitting the road, where we have done 2 diesel to electric conversions on a Volvo and on a Mack truck. And we've also built our first e-spotter prototype. So our long-term vision for Trova is to enter the market with our e-spotter, as you see behind me. And by the year 2028, we will have 300 spotter units per year being manufactured, and 4,000 diesel to electric kits being manufactured and put into service. And per year, this will put us annually at a $1 billion revenue per year. We are very proud at Trova Commercial Vehicles Incorporated to be one of the 5 members selected to be in the spring 2023 Ram Cohort, and we look forward to seeing what all 5 companies can do as we grow together.